I just want to start with a reminder that every assignment you do in this class is like a building block for your essay. And um, and so you should really begin, before you read, you should really begin by studying the prompt, reading it really carefully and getting your goal clear. Because if you have your goal clear before you read, you're going to read more efficiently. You're going to find what you need. So I recommend that you save the prompt on your desktop, that you highlight it. I sort of highlighted this one for you, the bolded underlined bit. In essay one, I want you to apply a pair of Stevens and Townsend's concepts, independence or interdependence, to your life as a student. Make an argument about how the culture of independence or interdependence from which you come sets you up for success in college, or conversely holds you back. Okay, so that tells you right there that you really need, those are common terms, independence and interdependence, but Stevens and Townsend, who wrote the article you're about to read, they define them in their own way. They make those concepts their own. You really need to understand what they mean by those concepts. And so I've given you, that's true, you want to understand all of their key terms, and I've given you a list of them, but especially for writing your essay, you need to understand those really well. So when you annotate, you want to pay special attention to those terms. Okay, let's look over here. I'm going to make a point about how to use your annotations using your first assignment. You can use your annotations to build your summary. Now you're in groups in Perusall, groups of, I think, about 10, so you won't have as many annotations to look at. But the whole idea is that you're working together as a group to digest this material and build your summaries, really. And so you want to go back and look at the annotations and just copy the ones that you think are great summarizing annotations and put them in a document and build your summary around them. I want to make a kind of technical, logistical point, and that is that it's better, I believe, to leave your annotations in threads than leave single annotations. So like this one's a single annotation. There's just one annotation that goes with that highlight. This one here, there are 3. And I think it's better when you actually add to someone else's, add a comment to someone's highlighted thread that they've already started, because then there are fewer clicks to get through, and it's less confusing when you look at and try to navigate through Perusall. So you want to go through, the first assignment was to leave 8 summarizing annotations on the Critical Hope article. And so I noticed a lot of the annotations weren't summarizing. A lot of them were reflections, but let's just look at a couple. One of his key points, he writes about what young people experience. He wants people to understand why you should see kids for what they become rather than what their past and present is. That's a great summarizing comment. I noticed this one here was an interesting comment, but it's more of a reflection. So when you go to build your summary for this article that your essay 1 is going to be based on, use Perusall, use your group members' comments to build that summary, and that's it for now.